In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a domain from GoDaddy to your Wix website. If you're looking to integrate these two services seamlessly, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. Firstly, it's crucial to understand that although you can connect your GoDaddy domain to Wix, Wix hosting cannot be used on GoDaddy servers. This means you'll be hosting your website on Wix, but retaining your domain registration with GoDaddy. Now let's begin the process. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the Domains section. Here you'll see a list of all the domains you've registered with GoDaddy. Select the specific domain you want to connect to your Wix site. Click on this domain name to access its settings. Now look for the DNS Management tab. This is where you'll configure the DNS settings, which are crucial for directing your domain to your Wix website. Click on DNS Management to open the page. In the DNS settings, you'll need to make some changes. Find the name servers section at the top of the page. Here, you will typically see that your name servers are set to GoDaddy's default name servers, which might begin with something like NS1 and NS2. You'll need to replace these with Wix's name servers. But before you do this, it's important to pause and double check that you've noted down any existing settings, just in case you need to revert to them later. This is a good practice when working with DNS records. Once you're ready, click on the Change button next to the name servers. Choose the option to set custom name servers. Here, you'll enter Wix's name servers, which you can find in your Wix account under Domains. Once you've added both name servers, save the changes. The next step is to head over to your Wix account, log in, and once you're in, go to your dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to Settings, and then Domains. Here, you'll want to choose the option to connect an existing domain. Wix will prompt you to enter the domain name you want to connect. Provide the domain name you've just adjusted, and Wix will guide you through the rest of the setup process. This usually involves Wix verifying the changes you've made in GoDaddy, which can take a few hours. During this waiting period, it's normal for there to be some downtime, as DNS propagation can take up to 48 hours, although it usually resolves much faster. Be sure to check back on your Wix domain settings to confirm that the connection has taken place successfully. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to connecting your GoDaddy domain to your Wix website. Ensuring you correctly follow these steps will result in a smooth integration, allowing you to effectively manage your site through Wix while maintaining your domain registration with GoDaddy. Remember, Wix hosting remains on Wix servers and not on GoDaddy. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your website.